So they're telling us that if you're going to set up a ladder, it's got to be between, to be safe, it's got to be between 80, okay, or I guess if the same length ladder, we got to do like this, so 70. Okay. All right, so if you have a 6-meter ladder, find the maximum and minimum height. So this will be the minimum height, and that will be the maximum height. So let's just call this height A, and let's call this one here B, and the length is 6 for both. So that's opposite over hypotenuse. So for minimum height, it's sine of 70 is equal to A over 6. So A is equal to 6 times sine of 70. And similarly for B, it's just going to be 6 times sine of 80. This is the max, this is the minimum. This is the minimum height, and this is the max height. That's for part A. For part B, if we have a 12-meter, okay, and it reaches 11.5, so is it safe? Okay, now we can do this, right? So the max it should be is 12, follow the same pattern, 12 sine of 80. This should be the max. So let's see if it's bigger than this. 11.8 meters. So if your ladder is 11.5, right, that's less than 11.8, so it is safe. Okay. C is actually asking you, can you answer B without using trigonometry? What I mean there is, note that in part A we have 6. Part B is 12. Because this ladder is just twice as long as this one. And so right now, like, okay, let's just compare the 6. So this is, let's say, 80, and this is 12, and we have another one that's maximum. This is 6. They're both 80 here. The key here, they're hoping that you understand is, right, these two triangles are similar. We found in part A, the maximum height is 5.9. Since they're similar, this height simply must be double of this, right, which is 11.8. Right there, look, I didn't do any trig, I just used proportions to get this is 11.8. Right, so that's how we could have done it also.